welcome to another week of Food Vibes and Culture. I'm your host Richard Brown, and right now we're on the farm. You don't know, we're in the Christmas season, and a big part of Christmas is the Sorrel Drink. So we're up on the farm, so we're gonna pick some. So watch where I go on. Here's Mr. Lindsay showing us how it's done. Come on over. So Mr. Lindsay, how long does it take from planting stage to reaping stage?
It take like 3 months, man. 3 months, yeah.
Alright. And is there any form of preparation that you have to put in, like maybe like watering or manure or what?
No, we're just weeding because this is like an organic farm.
You don't know we have an innovative way to remove the seed from the sorrel.
You just saw the preparation of the sorrel drink, but guess what? We're going to add something else into the mix. Roast breadfruit and salt mackerel rundown. So don't you move a muscle. Thank you for watching this week's episode of Food Vibes and Culture. And remember to subscribe to the channel for us to go from strength to strength. All you need is a Gmail account. So subscribe right now.